Attention all car enthusiasts, in this video I'm going to share with you really useful gadgets for your vehicle. These gadgets range from practical and functional to luxurious and indulgent, perfect for both the practical and pampered car lover. So without further ado, let's dive in and take a look at these 10 most useful car gadgets you really need in 2023. Number 10. Are you worried about the whereabouts of your car or the safety of your loved ones while they're on the road? Introducing the Vine's GPS Tracker, the ultimate solution to all your vehicle tracking needs. This small device plugs into your car's OBD2 port and tracks your vehicle's location, speed, and route in real time. You can easily access this information from your smartphone, tablet, or computer. You can also set up geofencing alerts so you'll be notified if your car enters or leaves a specific area. Plus, with the Vine's fleet management feature, you can track and manage multiple vehicles at once. But that's not all, it all offers additional features such as trip history, engine diagnostics, and fuel consumption. With this device, you'll have peace of mind knowing that your vehicle and loved ones are safe all times. Do you have an older car? Are you tired of not being able to use your smartphone in your car? Look no further than the Carlinkit 4.0 adapter. This adapter allows you to easily connect your smartphone to your car's factory radio and access all of your favorite apps, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, without the need for any additional cables. With this simple plug-and-play design, the Carlinkit 4.0 adapter is easy to install and use, plus its wireless connection ensures a stable and seamless experience every time. Don't let a lack of compatibility hold you back from fully utilizing your smartphone in your car. Get the Carlinkit 4.0 adapter today and start enjoying the convenience and functionality of Apple CarPlay and Google Maps while on the road. Imagine having all the features you need for a safe and connected drive all in one place. The SENSEGO CarPlay wireless rearview mirror, the ultimate driving companion that will make your daily commute more efficient and fun. This sleek, innovative mirror will connect to your iPhone via CarPlay and turn your drive into a party on wheels. Imagine being able to access all of your favorite apps, musics, and maps with just a touch of a button while you're cruising down the road. Upgrade your driving experience and make your daily commute more fun and entertaining with the SENSEGO CarPlay wireless rearview mirror. Number 7. What if you're able to inflate your tires, balls, and inflatable toys in seconds, anywhere, anytime? Well, there's a way with a HOTO portable electric tire inflator, the ultimate road companion for any journey. It has an easy-to-read OLED display, intuitive buttons, and 2500 mAh lithium battery. This inflator is the epitome of convenience and efficiency, plus its compact size and internal cooling fans make it easy to take with you wherever you go. Not only can it inflate your car and bike tires, but it can also inflate balls and other inflatable items. And when it's time to recharge, you can easily do so on the go via the Type-C port. Do you feel like you're breathing in dirty and polluted air while you're on the road? Introducing the PureZone portable air purifier. This powerful and portable air purifier uses a 3-stage filtration system to remove pollutants and allergens from the air, leaving you with clean and fresh breathing air while you're on the go. The PureZone portable air purifier is perfect for use in your car. It's small enough to fit in your cup holder, and it's easy to use. Just plug it in and let it work its magic. Are you always getting speeding tickets and dealing with the hassle of radar detectors that constantly give false alarms? Here's the Cobra Rad 380 laser radar detector. This powerful and accurate radar detector uses the latest laser detection technology to detect all radar and laser signals, including X, K, and Ka bands. Plus, its OLED display provides easy-to-read alerts, and it also has a mute button and city highway mode for reducing false alarms. Stop getting speeding tickets and get your hands on the Cobra Rad 380 laser radar detector and stay alerted. The E-HEELP electric hydraulic automatic inflator. This innovative car jack is designed to make changing a tire a breeze. It's an electric hydraulic jack that automatically lifts your car with the push of a button. No more manual cranking or struggling with a traditional jack. The electric motor does all the heavy lifting for you, making it easy to change a tire in minutes. The automatic inflator feature is also a game changer. This jack comes equipped with an air compressor that automatically inflates your tire to the correct pressure as it's being raised. This eliminates the need for a separate air compressor, saving you time and hassle. Its convenience, efficiency, and safety features make changing a tire easy, fast, and safe. It can be found on Amazon and is a great investment for anyone who needs to change a tire. The Powrun P1 Starter 2008 Portable Jump Starter. This powerful device is designed to jumpstart your car, truck, or even a boat in a matter of minutes. It's a portable jump starter that packs a punch with its 2008 peak current. It's capable of jump-starting vehicles up to 8 liters of gas and 6.5 liter diesel engines, making it the perfect solution for cars and trucks. The device is also equipped with a variety of safety features, including overcurrent protection, short-circuit protection, over-temperature protection, and reverse polarity protection. It also features a built-in LED flashlight with a strobe and SOS function for added convenience and safety. The jump starter is also lightweight and portable, making it easy to store in your trunk and take with you on the go. It also comes with a variety of charging options, including a USB-C port, a USB-A port, and a 12-volt 10A DC port. The Rightline Gear Moki car door step. This portable step attaches to your car door, providing a stable platform for getting in and out of your car with ease and safety. It supports up to 300 pounds and fits most cars, trucks, and SUVs made of durable aluminum. It's lightweight and easy to install, no tools needed. It allows you to reach the roof of your car for cargo or cleaning, and also helps people with mobility issues and children to get in and out of the car safely. The compact design makes it easy to store and take on the go. Get yours on Amazon today and make getting in and out of your car a breeze. The Stinger Super Duty Car Emergency Escape Tool, a must-have device for any car owner. This compact and powerful tool can help you escape a car in any emergency situation. It can be used to break car windows and cut seat belts. It's easy to use, just pull the pin and swing to use. It's made of high-quality materials, compact and lightweight, easy to store in your car, purse, or backpack. Could save your life in an emergency. It can be found on Amazon. Get yours today and be prepared for the unexpected. Thanks for watching our tech gadget video. If you found it helpful, please give us a like and share it. Let us know your favorite gadgets in the comments, or if there's a gadget we should have included. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos and check out our next video where we unveil new cool tech gadgets for 2023. Thanks again for watching.